Well, looks like we're back at it again. One more time. Except this time with a tiny twist. This time, I'm going to be learning how to solve a cube blindfolded. This will take a while, and a few more things I have to say. This series will be weekly because instead of daily, where I post every day, I'm gonna post weekly because sometimes I don't have enough time to make a full video. And I'm posting weekly in case if I miss a day, but I'll still keep track of the days and the weeks. Don't worry. Now, another thing, because this is the first episode, I don't know how many there will be, maybe until I get, my goal is to get sub 1 minute 30 seconds. 30 seconds. That is my ultimate goal. And this will take a while. This probably will. However, all of the episodes may not be edited as nice as this one because this one it's like, it's the first episode, so I just want it to be nice and to attract viewers. However, and oh yeah, new mic. However, with a new series comes a new view. 3, 2, 1. Okay, honestly, this looks much better. I'm just using a phone, my phone, on a Dollarama tripod. Um, so yeah, with that, um, I'm gonna, I'm gonna learn how to solve this blindfolded. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna learn how to solve this blindfolded. So first step is probably to, let's look up a tutorial real quick. J-perm. Oh, yeah, I don't want to go to the video. Let's go here. Alright, so I scrolled a little bit more and tried my absolute best to understand it, but I couldn't. I don't know why. I can usually understand these type of things, but I can't for this for some reason, so I'm just gonna look at the video. Okay. Wait, let me undo this T-perm. Right, let's go. Yes. No, I don't think. Okay. Okay. Here we have 6 cards, each representing a piece of the Rubik's Cube. Here we have the ace, which is the buffer piece, and A is the buffer location, which is where it belongs. Okay. One of the moves we are allowed to do is to swap the ace with any other card. Okay. Now from here, the ace is no longer buffer position, and whatever's the buffer position, we can swap this with any other card at once. Okay. This is how all of the moves happen. So whenever say B, D, then that means this particular order swaps. Buffer with B, and the buffer with D. Sure, okay. You can see moves of 2 swaps with buffer that will solve this. No. So, why can't I? Okay. So we swap this with this, and then the 5 will be here, so then we put it here, and then, yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah. Here I'm going to show you how to swap just 2 edges like this. So here's the algorithm. Okay. Yeah, T-perm. Swaps this and these two. Yeah. Okay, sure. Wait, I think I need to undo this. then I think this. Yeah, he did. Okay.
So now apply this scramble to your cube with white top and green front.
Wait, hold
Now
on.
apply this scramble to your cube.
Okay, let's see if I can undo it, because I probably can't. He went like this, right? Then did the T-perm. I'm so smart, guys. See, like, it's just that simple. I'm so smart. Like, it's honestly not that hard, guys. So, yeah. Okay.
Scramble, okay. Okay. White top and green front. So this is a simple example, but we'll be looking at how to solve this cube.
I did that terribly wrong. One sec, I'm gonna solve this. Finally. Okay.
Simple cycles. Okay, let me know how he does it. White top, green front.
There we go. Okay. So looks like I need to switch. I need to put this here, so that's already in the right orientation or permutation. I don't even know. I need to flip both of these. Yeah. Okay. So I'll swap this and this. Then I'll need to flip it and put it here, and then put that there. Okay.
One with each of these letters. So starting with I, we have to move this sticker over to here without touching any of these three pieces. So that can be done like this.
What the heck? Okay, so he went like... Yeah, he did that. Then I think T-perm.
Then swap.
Okay, that did swap them.
Then put it back.
Undo, okay. Then this. Oh, wow, I did it. No way, okay.
Next is A, so like this.
Okay, so it's just putting the pieces down here on the bottom, then getting the right spot, and... Alright, now, there's a reason why I'm making this series weekly. This is day 3, not day 2. I literally didn't have enough time yesterday to make an episode, so I'm just doing so no day 2, just day 3. This is why I'm making it weekly, because it's much easier for me. And my computer crashed. I'll put the post up, like while I was playing Minecraft, I'll put the post up like here. I have no clue what happened, and I had to restart my computer, so I'll just play the video from here, because honestly, this is what I remember from. I remember there was like, did like an H-perm.
So this is white orange. It needs to go to the white orange spot, and specifically the white sticker. So
Let's just start from here.
this is the letter D. Next, we've actually got these. So we have to have 4 unsolved pieces. So we have to go. So it's all these cycle. Start with unsolved pieces. Start with this is the letter I. You see what you go, and you go over here to the letter Q. As you go here to the letter I. It's the same piece started cycle. We now finish cycle. So all the cycles begin and end. Same piece.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be similar. So if you're C and I with the same piece. So you finish cycle again. C and I. That would be okay as well. Right. So that's D, which is no setup moves. And then go to I, just like this.
So he.
And then go to I, just like this.
So he puts the piece on the bottom. Moves the bottom row and takes the bottom row up and swaps. I'm pretty sure. Then undoes it. I probably did it wrong though. Never mind. I just undid a few moves and then I just got it. After. Oh. So he takes this piece, then he puts it down here where my middle finger is. Wait.
I, just like this.
That's what I did.
Swap and undo. Then Q.
So Yeah, you did that. Then move that over once. Then L2, okay. Then swapped it. And then I think like that. Alright, then like that, okay. So that changed, so that solved this one, I believe. That solved this sticker, yeah. So then this would go, then that. Alright, so that wasn't that bad for the most part, except I don't understand. Alright, so this is day 4. And I'm gonna try that real quick. So I tried it out. It's just like you said, it's just the Y print, but without it, but missing a few moves. So it started. There's no start. Like you don't the start. Like you don't do the F after the start. You just go straight into this part, and you do the righty, but then you do the F at the end, and this this F prime. Bit out of frame. This F prime, the one before the righty. So just like that, okay. Okay, so there's that. Alright. Alright, so I just did something. I did a Z perm, and I solved that by myself, no tutorial, because I looked back throughout the video and I understood it a bit more. So I'm just gonna do that. So I started with this piece, I believe, and this piece needs to go here. So what I did was I just did a L wide 2 or whatever it's called, and I did D prime. So I brought that up here. Then I swapped. I did that and undid it. Right, so that, and then so I put them back. Then I took, and I, like it said, start with any unsolved piece. So then I believe I did this. I just swapped with that, and that needs to go here. So I think I did this and moved it down here, then back up. Yeah, that's what I did, and then I'm just gonna try swapping it. So I mean that kind of worked. And just these two need to swap. So I'm gonna bring this down. Then put it back up. There we go. Oh wait, no. I wasn't supposed to do that. I was supposed to go like that. It's gonna take me a while to get used. So yeah.